The indexes are pretty much just below a decision point. In other words, they could push up a little bit higher into this range. The Dow can push up a little bit higher. It's not quite at the previous highs here. The SPX can push up a little bit higher, and the Russell, well, can also push a little bit higher to 1615. So we're in a range where the market's likely to stall or run sideways for at least a period of time during the week. Then we're going to be at a decision point. Do we stay in range or do we not? We really don't know. Really, the probability of breaking out when we get at a point like this is almost 50-50. I call it 45 to the downside, 55% to the upside. In other words, I'm still slightly bullish on the markets. And the reason for that is because when you have something that's a pattern or an area that's completely neutral, the assumption is that the move favors the primary trend of the index. If you go to a weekly chart, you see the primary trend of the index is clearly up. The pattern here is neutral. This breakout is bullish. So we have to lean towards the bullish side from a purely technical standpoint.